So moving on to example 3. Tell whether the slope would be positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So which of these four lines, is representing a slope that's greater than 0? Well, that would be this orange line. Why? Because the line is going up. It's positive. Line is going up from left to right. Then a slope that's less than 0 would be a line that's going down from left to right. So that's this black line. M is less than 0. Then we want to label the line that has a slope of 0. So a slope of 0 would be this blue line. It's not going up or down. It's flat, horizontal. And then we have a undefined slope, and that undefined slope would be the vertical line. We're not moving left or right, we're only going up or down. So your turn. Label these four lines as a slope that's greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0, or undefined. When you're done, go ahead and pause to complete that. When you're done, go ahead, push play. I'll show the answers briefly. We'll move on. Black, slope is greater than 0. Green, slope is 0. And orange, slope is undefined. So visually from a graph, how do we determine what the exact slope is? Not just what type of slope, but the exact value of the slope. So what we need to do is, looking at our points, rise over run. So you want to pick 2 points, and those 2 points are any one of these that we can see. So let's just go with this point here, 0, 8, and the point 1, 5. So you go down 3, right 1. So when you go down 3, that is negative 3, and you go right 1, that is positive 1. So our slope would be negative 3 over 1. Rise over run. Negative 3 over 1, of course, is just negative 3. Now, we could have picked any combination of 2 points, but what I recommend is, when you're finding the slope, start with the point on the left, move to the point on the right. So let's pick another 2 points. Let's go with the point 2, 2 and the point 5, negative 7. So starting on the point on the left, 2, 2, we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down 9 is negative 9. And then right 1, 2, 3. That's positive 3 when we go to the right. So if we calculate that slope, that's m is equal to, our rise was down 9, our run was right 3. Negative 9 divided by 3 reduces to negative 3. So notice the slope is the exact same no matter what 2 points we pick, as long as those 2 points are on the line. Another example, find the slope of the line given the graph. So this one we don't have points. So instead we just need to pick points. Now these points should be at exact intersection points. So right here at 0, 5, that would be a place where we could pick out a point, or the point 3, 7, or the point 6, 9. They need to be at exact whole number values. Those would be good points to use. So really any of these points on the line. So let's go with the point 0, 5 and 3, 7. Again, starting at the point on the left, we go rise up 2, that's positive 2, and then run right 3, That's positive 3. So our slope, m, is 2 over 3. Up to right 3. 2/3 would be our slope. All right, so your turn. Using the given graph, you're finding points on the line to help you calculate the slope of the graph. When you're done, so push pause to complete this. When you're done, go ahead and push play. Look at the answer. All right, so at this point you should be done. So I just picked these 2 points, 0, 1, and 4, negative 3, because they were on the line. We went down 4, right 4. Negative 4 divided by positive 4 should equal negative 1. So these numbers that you found might be different, but the final solution should be the same, a slope of negative 1. All right, the other your turn. Take a moment, pause the video, complete that one. Once you're done, push play. All right. So for this one, I just chose our x and y coordinates. The y coordinate, or the y-intercept, and x-intercept. So the y-intercept is 0, 8. The x-intercept is 4, 0. Going left to right, we go down 8 and right 4. Down 8, right 4, which is negative 8 divided by 4, or negative 2. So negative 2 should be your slope that you got for that problem. All right, so that allows you to complete self-quiz number 2, part 2. Self-quiz number 2, part 2, finding the slope of the line. Again, there's no points given to you, so you might have to identify some points to use in order to calculate that slope.